In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate emails in Outlook using ChatGPT AI. By the end, you'll know how to move from a blank page to a polished message quickly while still keeping your own voice and professional tone. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're in, the key to getting a useful draft is a clear, specific prompt. Tell the AI who the email is for, why you're writing, the tone you want, the length, and the exact points it must include. For example, draft a friendly professional email to a team about a schedule change next week, keep it under 150 words, include the new meeting time, and end with a polite call to confirm. The more context you provide up front, the less editing you'll need later. When the AI generates the text, pause and review it carefully. Check for accuracy first, names, dates, times, and any commitments or figures. Then check context. Does it reflect your situation, your company's style, and your audience's expectations? Finally, tune the tone. If it sounds too formal or too casual, ask ChatGPT to revise using clear direction, such as make it warmer and more concise, or adjust for a senior executive audience. You can iterate a couple of times until it feels right, and it's always fine to make small manual tweaks. Now open Outlook and click New Email to start a fresh message. In the editor, paste the AI generated content into the body. If your draft includes placeholders like name, date, or project, replace those with the correct details. Keep paragraphs short for readability, and make sure your greeting and closing match how you typically communicate. Next, add your recipients in the to and CC fields and give the message a clear, specific subject line. Aim for something that reflects the action or topic, like updated timeline for Q2 launch, rather than something vague. Add any personal touches that suit your relationship with the reader, a brief thank you, a line that references a recent conversation, or your usual sign-off and email signature. Before you send, review formatting and links so everything looks correct. Ensure the font and size match your default Outlook style, fix any odd spacing from the paste, and confirm that hyperlinks point to the right pages and open properly. If the message mentions an attachment or a link, make sure it's actually there. Do a quick final proofread for clarity and typos, and you're good to go. That's it. Use ChatGPT to draft, refine for accuracy and tone, paste into Outlook, personalize, and finalize the formatting. Happy emailing!